Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by creating reliable anchor points. Split your short braids into 2 or 3 manageable sections so the clip has something to grip. Once divided, gather a claw clip that matches the braid bulk. 2 small slips, 2 large crowds. Make sure hair has texture, spray or a light product helps. Now take the top section, fold it back toward the crown, and position the clip so teeth interlock with braid roots. This prevents sliding and sets the foundation for the look. Once the base is secure, you layer additional short braids by folding them into the same clip space. This builds volume and keeps movement controlled. Thread the clip teeth through the loops or under the braid stem so the hold is mechanical rather than relying on friction alone. Make sure to alternate how you tuck each braid, one up, one down, to distribute tension. This avoids a lopsided pull and gives a fuller profile. Take a moment to test the hold by gently shaking your head. To finish, you refine the shape. Press braids into the clip with your fingers to flatten gaps, then hide any short tails using bobby pins at the clip base. Once done, mist with light hairspray so flyaways stay put without stiffness. If the clip slips, reinsert it through more braid bulk or switch to a smaller size. Adding texture product gives immediate grip. For persistent movement, secure an extra pin perpendicular to the clip. This locks the angle and ends the wobble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.